Hi guys, and good morning everybody. It's Sunday. We just changed the time, so it have been a short night, a shorter night than usually. And guess what? It is 11:25 and somebody's still sleeping. So baby's still sleeping. Time to just do little things, and we got you guys in a bit. You awake?
Yes, I'm alive.
You awake?
You had showed them me sleeping?
Yeah.
You guys, I slept and I slept. Why the camera looks so foggy?
It looks okay in the light.
No, I know when it's not okay. There we go.
I need a haircut.
Yes, you do.
Today.
You can get one today. You
Yes.
look shabby. You guys, I have been sleeping and sleeping and sleeping like a pregnant woman. But I'm not pregnant. I need to stop using the word pregnant in these vlogs because people gonna think I'm crazy. I've been sleeping. I woke up this morning to go to church and I knocked out right after that. Woke up, give Tyler his tea, and I was out, and I didn't wake up until 12 p.m. 12 p.m. I didn't know nothing was going on. This time difference really messed me up. It messes me up, and I just say, you know what, if I follow myself, I'm going to just sleep all day, and I have so much to do today. So I decided I'm gonna get up, get me a shower, and then I'll feel better. And that didn't work. I still want to sleep, but I have things to do, so I'm not gonna sleep. Anyway, you guys, today's Sunday, so happy Sunday. I just put my nugget down for a nap, and it's a beautiful day outside, and I have a little surprise for him after he wake up, because today's Easter. No, today is not Easter Sunday. Next Sunday is Easter Sunday. Today is Palm Sunday at church. So I had originally planned to give him this surprise, so when he wake up, he'll be pretty excited for us to be outside and doing what I plan on doing for him. So I'm just here about to get some work done since that he's sleeping while this one plays game, or maybe he's going to sleep too. Anyway, you guys, enjoy your day. Feel loved. Be encouraged. Stay blessed. Stay motivated. We love you guys. You guys, this time difference really messes me up. It's 3 o'clock and I'm just about to have lunch. I'm super hungry. I threw this chicken in the oven earlier and I am about to grub on it because I'm hungry, and that's what I feel for. So let's see if it will last for dinner. If not, then I'll just make something else for dinner. But right now I'm gonna have some of this for lunch. Oh, that looks good. And then I have some steamed cabbage, which I'm going to put on it. So yeah, that's lunch. Grub time. Hungry. So babe, Tyler and I going out to have a little fun right now. we're going out to the park to hide some chocolate eggs so Tyler can enjoy a little Easter egg hunt fun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going out. Let me show you guys where I'm gonna go. I'm going out behind the pool. You see where this right there, there's a park, so that's where we're gonna go. I'm going to hide the eggs within the palm tree there and stuff like that. So Tyler and Baby's ahead of me because I don't want him to see yeah, I don't want him to see me with the chocolate eggs because he know how they look. And oh, the zoom. I sent Baby with Tyler ahead of me, that way Tyler don't see me with the chocolate eggs, because if Tyler see me with them going, he's going to want them. So while he and Babe at the park, I am going to hide the eggs and then have him go and hunt for them. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is the pack of eggs that I'm going to use, and this is Tyler pan. So I'm just going to go around and hide his eggs and hopefully he'll be able to find them. It says it's, let me see how many eggs are in this. I don't even know, but I'm gonna count them to see how much. So I hide one there. There is one here. See one there. There's two there. There's another two there. There is one here. And I put one more there. And I'm gonna hide some more. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm already having so much fun doing this. I think he see me. I'm gonna hide some right here. Okay, so that's the final of it. I'm gonna go get him. Come! Hey! Run! Carrie's truck. Hey! Here's your pan. You're going to look for your eggs. Go, Shershe. Go look for your eggs. Look, Ty, you have to look good for the eggs. You have to look for the eggs. Chocolate egg, look. In here, look. There's eggs somewhere here, look. Ty, somewhere here there's eggs. Ah, what's that? Wow, put them in your pan. Wow, put them, pick them up. All of them.
I should be careful where I walk.
Yes, you better look. Pick them up. Tell her what is that.
It's just I'm gonna stay inside here.
No. Yeah, search in the bushes. Look over here. Look over there. Look in the bush. Here. Ah, you saw one? Look here. Here, look in here. Ah. You see more? Look for eggs. Look in here. In here. What's that? Go take them. No, let him hold it. Him cute with it in his hand.
Yeah, I mean, I'm holding it.
Whoa, what's that?
Purple eggs.
Yeah. Wow, look in that one. Look in that one over there.
Regarde ici, il y en a peut-être. Il y en a?
No.
You don't want to go with him? None not over here. None not past here. Whoa, more? Ah, there's another one in there. Go, take it. Okay, go that way. Look, you have to look properly. Go, look for more eggs. Look, you're passing this bush. Look in this bush. Ah, so cute. And look for more. Go on, look. You have to look. Go look. Babu!
Good job.
Look over here.
Allez,
Look at
continue.
him, look at him. Whoa! He passed one right there, so.
C'est quoi, Tyler?
Yes!
I don't know.
Allez, encore. Regarde encore. Tu vois? Allez.
Take your time, slowly.
You don't see the closest, you see the father.
Yes. He find that one. He's gonna find all of them. He won't remain because I put them in the perimeter. Look at him hunting. Wow! Your pan is almost full. Wow! I found another one. Wow! Yeah! Look here. Come this way. This way. He doesn't see it as yet. Look at him hunting. Look at him. His pan is almost full. No, there's none that way.
Tyler!
Ty, come this way. He found more. Can you look on the bag to see if they tell you how much eggs was in the bag? Whoa! More! Wow! Wow!
Allez, continue, il y en a encore.
Hold the camera. Come, let me show you. Come. Tree. Look at the other tree. This tree. Look. This tree.
Honey, put some in the bag.
Come, put some in here. Let Mama try some for you.
Good job. Encore?
Let's go look for more.
Encore?
You see them?
Someone
No, that's nice of you.
Mama,
Yes.
put it in the tree.
No, I didn't put any in the tree because I know you're too short. You wouldn't see.
Oh no. Mama.
Yay, Mamo! That's it. You found all of them. Come, now you get to eat one. You get to eat one.
I tried to open it.
You want to open this one? Oh, you can open it. Okay, let's see. Can Mama have one? Which one is for Mama? Which one is for Mama? Can Mama have one of your eggs?
No.
Did you just say no? Mama can't have any? Bite it. Mama can't have any of your eggs? Huh? Can Mama have this little one? Can Mama have this little one? Yes, for Mama?
Have a cat behind you.
Get a citron.
Oui. C'est
Mama going
bon?
to eat this one.
C'est bon, Tyler?
There's nothing in it.
Et pour
There's
papa?
something in yours?
Tu donnes à papa? I don't think there's
No,
anything in
which one for
Annie.
Papa?
The papa.
Merci,
So you
Tyler.
give Papa, but you didn't want to give me. It's alright.
Fish.
He had so much. See Faves there?
Fish. It's not chocolate
You don't see
yet.
him talking to the Faves.
Tu donnes chocolat? Merci.
It's a Faves. I am eating a chocolate. You had fun? Mama had fun hunting with you.
I think you have more fun when you hide it.
You know I didn't get to do these things as a kid. So having him doing it is a joy for me. Absolute joy. And now we all get to eat. Now we all get to eat. We all get to eat. Eat the chocolate. We die.
C'est bon?
Time change has really messed up my head. It's after 7 p.m. and I'm just gonna show you guys what outside is looking like. The sun is up. Let me show you. Focus. The sun is still up, barely but going down, and it's as if it's not going anywhere. And it's 7 p.m. Anyway, I'm hungry, so we're just gonna have dinner at this time of the day. And since I made chicken this morning, I decided to just roll with it and don't make anything else for dinner. So this is for Tyler. He's having a little pasta with chicken, just a chicken leg, and this is mine. I asked me, Mel, you wonder, Mel, why your plate looking like that? That's because I love to eat bones. So all this in my plate is bones, and that's for Babe. And I just have to eat my bones. Babe call me crazy, and he think my teeth is made of some kind of material that he doesn't know. But if you're a Jamaican, then you'll understand that you don't waste your bone, okay? You eat all your bones. Comment down below and let me know if you're a kind of person who eat your bones or you throw them away. However, I only eat my bones when I'm home. When I'm out, this girl don't eat her bones, okay? Because I don't want anybody to look at me crazy. If I really don't care, and if I really want to eat my bone when I'm out, then I'm gonna eat my bones. But let me know what you guys do when you're home, if you're a bone kind of person or not. Tala, who is that?
C'est quoi ça?
Fish.
Who is that?
Fish.
Yes! Faves! Hey Faves! We're coming on to end today's vlog and give you a fresh cut. I gave Babe a fresh cut.
I look better.
Yeah, I always love when you hear freshly cut. You look super cute. The Jamaican expression for today is going to be bleach. Bleach can mean two things in Jamaica. If somebody say, yo, me a bleach tonight, simply mean they'll be staying up all night without sleeping. And if you hear a Jamaican say, Bombat, that girl bleach out her face, simply means she rubbed something on her face to change her complexion from black to white. You get it?
Yeah, you bleach.
Yeah.
You
So it
bleach
means
your
two
face.
things, yes.
Okay.
Tyler, say bleach.
Beach.
Bleach.
Beach.
Yes. What's the French expression?
French expression for today will be écrire les choses noir sur blanc. Is to write or to put the things black on white.
Okay.
Doesn't have anything with the color of skin or anything. It's just showing like whenever, for example, you're talking with somebody, write the things to make it clear.
Okay, okay. So it's to make something more clear,
Right.
to make something more understandable.
Something clear, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay. I see. Mettre les choses noires sur blanc.
Right.
Okay. Tyler, you want to say the French expression? Take it out your mouth. Let Papa tell it to you.
Mettre
Mettre
les choses
les choses
noires sur blanc.
noires sur blanc.
Ah.
Good job. Tyler is always exaggerating with the sur, noir,
Sure. Sure. All right, you guys. So there you guys have the French expressions and the French expression and the Jamaican expression. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
All right, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tell us it's tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Night, night, fifth.
I'm not bad.
Peace
I'm
out.
watching my phone.
You're watching phone? Yes, you are. What else you want to tell the faves?
Some tomato and onion, some carrots,
That's what he's cooking on the
Tomato,
phone.
onion, crevette.
and tomato, and tomato.
T'es pas fait quoi? T'es fait le breakfast? C'est quoi que t'es fait?
Anyway, you guys, we're out.